Good morning, good morning. Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the 5-Star channel. This is Riley with 5-Star Lawn Care. Pleasure to be with you today. What we got in the yard today, I wanted to show you. I just redid this yard last fall. But all this was just weeds. All of it was just weeds. It was nothing but weeds. I mean, Dallas grass, 𝐂𝐚𝐬𝐭, chickweed, dandelions, goosegrass. I mean, you name it. It was just garbage. So I killed it all off. I actually ran the Harley rake over it, which isn't necessary, but I did. And then I just tore it up with the aerator, and it came in good, came in real nice. And then in my front yard, basically did the same thing, but did it about 5 or 6 years ago. So it's a whole lot thicker and takes a lot less maintenance as far as weed control goes. So let me show you what that looks like. You guys, see how thick this is? Oh my goodness. That is just beautiful, beautiful green grass. This time of year, with the fertilization, the growing season, the rain that we get, more sun, the days are longer, the grass is growing faster. This is tall fescue, right? Let's see if I can get you a shot down in there. Ooh-wee. Look at that. So there's still some frost on the grass. I don't know if you can see it behind me. It's kind of a cold morning this morning, and basically going to spray some yards, finish up our spring post-emergent weed control application for our clients, and I'm also going to spot treat this front yard, which really doesn't have too many weeds because, like I said, I established it about six years ago, and really the best weed barrier is to have the turf filled in. That's really the way to do it. So what we do is what I would call a hybrid organic program. Now, I'm all about organics. I'm all about doing things with the least impact on the environment. All that's great, but sometimes you just need something to take some control over the weeds. And you want to work your way towards basically not needing as much chemical, right? So when I first did this backyard here, I completely blanket sprayed it to kill it, a non-selective herbicide, to kill it all off, because it was nothing but weeds. I mean, there was not grass there at all. I mean, nothing. I mean, there wasn't even 10% grass. And this is the first fall. This is the first spring after I done it in the fall. And basically, this is what it looks like now. It needs a mow, but like I said, the reason I didn't mow is due to the fact that I'm going to be spot spraying. I'm a fescue guy, obviously. It's super tough, type of grass, and wear resistant, drought resistant. The yard don't look too bad, does it? I mean, when it's mowed, it don't look too bad. After first season, I mean, this thing was nothing but weeds. I also want to show you something else. Normally I would spray this gravel driveway with prodiamine, but I didn't this year. And because I didn't, it's the same thing in the lawn. If I didn't do it in the fall, you see this poa annua right here. Of course, I sprayed it the other day. I sprayed it with a non-selective, and I sprayed it with prodiamine. That's why you see that yellowish look to it. That's the prodiamine. And it'll actually it'll give me about 6 months of control at the rate I mixed it. 6 months of control, all right? So if you just sprayed that with Roundup, all them seeds right there are just gonna fall and germinate again. And you'll be doing that every single few weeks. All this right here. There's tons of dormant seeds laying right there. And that's it for the lawn renovation for this fall. So this completes the backyard here at the shop. And this will be like a sod farm here in a little bit. It'll be like the front yard. Super thick and green and beautiful.